And this guy, we stopped at a few sets of lights, and because it was reasonably sort of quiet on the roads, he was like with me most of the time. We'd pull up and have another chat, and he's like, fucking hell, I didn't know the stuff that like motorcycle riders have to look at and deal with like daily. I'm like, yeah, it's not that bad. And he goes, yeah, I see YouTube videos. I'm like, dude mate. I said, that is there, most of them are exaggerated, man. I said, people do it for views, and that's all they're doing. He was actually very shocked on just some of the stuff, and I'm like, dude, most of those videos, because everyone turns to YouTube, and it sort of annoys me with those videos to a point. I understand from a YouTube creator's content that you want your videos viewed, but I also am not a fan of the over exaggerated shit, you know, the YouTube cancer, should you say, with those sorts of videos. Like, it's so over the top, man. And as a motorcycle rider, you see that it's over the top. Other dudes like get right in on it, like, yeah, man, I would have smashed his mirror, dude. I would have smashed his windscreen and then pissed on his face, you know. Then I would have shat in my hand and flicked it on his car, you know. It's just, dude, right, in reality, you would have done exactly what I do. Just sit there and just go think. The other thing that I can't stand, man, is when people point to the camera. Oh my fucking god, it's blinding, dude. I actually watched a video getting a guy getting blinded by sun glare. Fucking ran straight into the back of a stopped car. God, I was lucky to be alive, man. The other thing is literally when they point to the camera. Now, before you say this, I've had people mention it to me, well, you pointed to yours in your motorcycle awareness video. Actually, no, I wasn't. Hence why I changed my hand, because the guy in the car thought I was doing the same thing. I wasn't actually pointing to the camera. What I was doing was pointing in front of the camera and saying, think. Telling him to think. That's what I was actually doing. If I was pointing at the camera, I'm not a fan of that shit. Look, man, look, I've got a GoPro on my head. That's just, oh no, it's just like, it's like when you're at school and you're trying to like fucking telling a kid, I'm gonna dibby dob on you. It's like dudes with dash cams and shit, man, like the same thing. I've got a camera in my car. So, like, that irritates me. That irritates me. It's when motorcyclists do that and they overemphasize shit and then they go down and they track people, and I didn't realize it was such a bad issue until people started having a go at me for doing that. I'm like, whoa, hang on a second, I'm actually not doing that. I'm not going out looking for trouble. I couldn't give a shit. I actually want to stay away from trouble, man. I just want to do my thing. I just want to cruise around like this and just do my thing. Let the cars go by and do whatever the hell they're doing. I'll just do my own little thing. I'm not out looking for trouble. I just want to spin shit to you guys. Not really. I want to talk to you guys and just go out for a ride. Like, there's plenty of times I go out and the GoPro's not even on. I'm just literally riding around and I just enjoy it, man. Like, the ones that go out looking for trouble, it's just a matter of time. That was a dead fox. It's just a matter of time until it bites you in the ass, man. And I'm surprised the Americans are doing it, dude, because fuck, those dudes have guns, man. They'll just hop out of the car and shoot you and just walk off. But over here in Australia, I've had some pretty bad road rage incidents and some fucking scary ones, man, and all of them have been in a car, one of which was on this road in the middle of the night. Scared the fucking shit out of me, man.